One color, 4 ways to write it. Capitalized, lowercase, all caps, abbreviated. For the system, that's 4 different values. Filters break, duplicates pile up in your catalog. Dictionaries and MarketProvider eliminate this. One dictionary, one set of values. Consistency across the entire catalog. A dictionary is a set of values for list-based attributes. Instead of free text entry, the user selects a value from a ready-made list. No typos, no duplicates. One colors dictionary is used across every category that has a color attribute. Go to the Catalog section, Dictionaries. Click Create Dictionary. Enter a name. Done. Then, filling. 2 ways. First, manually. Click Add Value. Enter one by one. The system will not save a duplicate. Second, import from Excel. Copy a list of values from your spreadsheet. Click Import Values. Paste. All values are added in seconds. If your dictionary has 500 colors or 200 sizes, import saves hours. A separate category of dictionaries is system dictionaries. They are used for attributes with units of measurement. For example, weight in kilograms, length in centimeters, volume in milliliters. Thanks to system dictionaries, values in these attributes can be converted. The unit converter works in both computed attributes and channels. Kilograms to grams, centimeters to millimeters. One setting and the data is in the right format. Values in a dictionary can be edited, deleted one by one, or cleared all at once. The dictionary itself remains. The dictionary itself can only be deleted if it is not linked to any attribute. The dictionary list shows which attributes and categories use it. Dictionaries ensure data consistency across your entire catalog. Fill them manually or in seconds from Excel. System dictionaries let you convert units of measurement in channels and computed attributes. Visit our Help Center or reach out to your account manager.